Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to talk about this new topic, which is singular and plural nouns. So, about this singular and plural nouns, I hope you know about this concept. That is, we know that singular means one and plural means more than one. So this concept is not a new concept to you. You already know about this. Singular is anything which is regarded as only one thing, and plural will be regarded which is more than one. So the thing which we have already known, that singular means only one and plural means more than one. Okay, so for anything, what will ever be the object, okay, whatever the items will be there, for that, if any such thing is there which is only one, so that will be regarded as singular, and if any such object is there which is more than one, then it is regarded as plural. Now, the thing is, we have to know that what are the changes that happen to make a singular noun into plural. So, if we have to make any such noun, any singular noun into plural, then what is the thing that we have to do? We have to add the letter S. We generally add the letter S. Okay. However, there are also some other words with which we add sometime es also. Basically, we add either s or es. Now let's see some of the spellings for changing into plural nouns, and how are they changed, on what basis. Okay, so first of all, the first example is, let's take the example cat. Now if we see here, the last letter is T. I just want to make you remember once again that the rules for spelling plural nouns are based on the letters at the end of the word. For example, let's take any word and the last letter which is ending. Okay, here the letter is ending with the T. Okay, the letter T. So if according to the word, we have to add either S or ES. So here, according to the word cat, we will add S. So it's a proper one. For the truck also, we will add S. So it become trucks. Next, for bus, as I said, we either add S or ES. So in this case, we will add ES. Okay, so then it becomes buses or brushes. If we are not adding ES, or maybe if we are adding S, then it does not sound proper. You only think yourself, if we are adding only S, then what will be the spelling? BUSS, which is not correct. Okay, so that's why we are adding here buses. Another example here is shelf or wife. Here in this case, what happens is the letter F or FE. Okay, in this case, here is the last letter is F, and here is the last letter FE. So what happens here is, in this case is, the last letter F or FE is removed, and in that place we will be adding VES. Okay. Another one, cherry. So here also, if you see, the last letter is Y, and here also the last letter is Y. Cherry and city. So what we do here is, the last letter Y, we will remove it, and in that place we will add IES. Let's see with this help of some other examples. So you all can see, this is the picture of a cat. So how many cats do you see here? One. Okay. And how many do you see here? There are more than one. That means this is singular and this is plural. So this is one cat and this is two cats. Okay. Remember what is the thing adding here. See, one cat and here is two cats. Okay. With the letter T, we have added only S. Next, these are the picture of toothbrush. Here is one toothbrush. Okay, and here is more than one toothbrush. So for one, we will say this as one toothbrush. But for this, we will be saying three toothbrushes, because here we can see one, two, three. There are three toothbrushes. Okay, so as we had learned that we will be adding either S or ES, so here we have added ES. Okay, with the word brush we have added ES, so that makes it toothbrushes. Next, see the example that we came with, F or FE, knife. So here is one knife, and here there are so many knife. But for this plural of knife, we will call it as knives. Okay, the last letter FE we have removed, and in that place we have put here VES. Next example, this is a tomato, and here are so many tomato also. So this is a singular tomato, but these are plural tomato. But when we will say this is one tomato, for this plural we will say many tomatoes. Okay, TOMATOES, we have added here ES, tomatoes. Another one, see, butterfly. So the word butterfly, the last letter you see, it is ending with Y, the letter Y. But here when we have so many in a number, so for that when we will say it in plural, they will change to IES. The letter Y will be taken out and we will add here IES, butterflies. Okay, it also happened with cherry, cities, then army, puppy. Okay, in those words cases also, if the word is puppy, PUPPY, then also that is puppies. Okay, PUPPIES. Then if it is army, 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 then we are changing to ARMIES, armies. Okay, there are various other examples. Now the last example, here I would say that there are, no doubt this all we have seen, tomato, cherry, okay, army, then the butterfly, these all examples we have seen. But what happens is there are some other words, there are some forms of nouns, or there are some naming words in which case the S or ES or VES, all these kinds of techniques do not work. Okay, in this case what happens, here the word completely changes. Man changes to men, child changes to children, tooth becomes teeth, ox become oxen. Okay, so these are also some of the examples, so please go through this table too. Okay, this will be the ones for your singular and plural nouns. Hopefully you have understood about this topic of singular and plural nouns and how we change. So this is all about the topic. Hopefully you have understood. So thank you.